Welcome all. Today in this video we'll be able to see how to use our school mobile app on laptop or desktop browser. So just open Chrome or Internet Explorer and type futuristic.edu.com. Once you will open futuristic.edu.com, you will be able to see FIS logo blinking on the website. Click on that. It will route you to a different website. Here, this is the login page where you have to put the ID password which school has already sent as an text SMS to you. So once you have inserted your ID password, just sign in and you'll be able to use all the mobile app feature on browser. Like you can click on profile and you can see the profile of your ward. You can check the attendance of your ward on daily basis. So which days he is present or absent. All the notices coming from a school will be seen in notice board. By clicking on pin icon, you can see the attachment of that particular notice. In fees column, you can pay the fees, you can see the previous receipts, right? So if you want to see the previous paid fees receipt, click on print receipt and you will be able to download those receipts. If you want to pay the current month fees, current payable or upcoming payable, check on the check boxes and click on pay fees. So once you will click on pay fees, it will route you to Razorpay gateway page where you will have multiple options: card, net banking, UPI, through which you can make the fees payment. Now let's go back and see other features on the browser. So here you can see transport icon. So by clicking on transport, you will be able to track the bus location during in and out transit of your ward. By clicking on the report card, you will be able to see the academic report card of your ward. I have just put a sample report card here, so it can be seen in report card section. In e-content, all the study material coming from school will be seen here. Subject wise, you can search it or you can click on all and search. So you'll be able to see all the study materials listed below. Clicking on these icons, you can open the attachment and you can study. Remember, if there is any assignment, so you will get a upload icon here. You can click on the upload and submit your assignment on the respective date. Likewise, let's go to homework. So in homework, you will be able to see the all the subject homeworks here of your ward. In received SMS, all the text SMS coming from school will be viewed here. Academic calendar will give you the detailed view of the academic calendar for that respective month or a particular day. Write to a school, you can write to a school and ask for any, if you have any feedback or suggestions or whatever. So you can write to a school using this tool. Then let's go to online class. So in online class, all the scheduled classes will be appeared here. Just click on the start class and you will be going into online class. Then in online test, again all the test schedule will be appearing here. Just click on start test and you will be able to attend the online test. So if again you have any query, you can call us on these numbers, you can email us and we will be able to help you on the same. So that's it for the day. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead.